Hi everyone! So I'm just taking this video so that I can personally thank our sponsor or one of the sponsors for our raffle for a cost. So Mrs. B Shop. So Mrs. B Shop sent us different samples of her products to be included on our raffle giveaway. So let me just walk you through some of her amazing products. So the first one that I'm gonna show you is the reed diffuser. So this is super fun. So I already purchased one from her with a different scent. And then I wanted to try the cotton blossom because I've heard a lot of good things about this scent. So I really wanted to try. I'm gonna give this to my mom. And with this, she actually sent this very pretty wooden stick that you're gonna put inside this reed diffuser so that it will continue to provide a very good smell. So with that, she also inserted this instruction on how you're gonna set up your reed diffuser. So please make sure if you wanted to check out some of the other scents from Mrs. B Shop, follow her Instagram and her Facebook, and she also has a website. Here, can you see that? www.themrsb.com. Okay. Alright. Also, I've shown you that she actually partnered with us from our past giveaway raffle. No, not giveaway. The raffle for a cause. And she sent us this stamp cleaner. Her very famous stamp cleaner because this is very good. It has a conditioning material for your stamp, so your stamp will last long. And also, she also sent us the oatmeal soap. So I'm gonna open this so that we can all see what's inside this beautifully packaged products from the Mrs. B Shop. So here we go. Ooh, it was carefully packed and sealed, and she said that all of the ones that she sent me ahead of time for the raffle for a cause were actually disinfected already so that I can't open it. Now she sent me this so that we can all see what's inside. So this is her oatmeal soap. There you go. And oh, it smells so beautifully. Go get her oatmeal bar. And then this is the stamp cleaner that she sent. So we're gonna open this one as well. Okay. Ta-da! Ooh, this is the new packaging that she is actually saying. So she has this very good instruction and as well as a little note. Dear crafter, now you can clean your stamps with ease. It's fun and easy to clean your stamp. Spray on stamp, press stamp on a paper towel or a piece of cloth to remove excess ink, and voila, a cleaner stamp to use. It's very gentle on the hands, easy to use, fragrance free, and non-toxic. So now you got this spray bottle, which is so handy. You can bring anywhere because it now provides you with the hook, right? So it's very easy to carry, and you can actually, for me, this is better than the one that she has, but this is also good. This packaging is also good when it's only in your room, but this is very handy when you're actually going out and you wanted to bring some of your stamp. You can have your handy stamp cleaner. There you go. So now, the moment that we're waiting for. If you wanted this stamp cleaner and this oatmeal soap with the surprise giveaway from our own shop, the Scrapbookie Crafter, make sure that you follow all the instructions and send to us the message for the code word. So what is the code word again? The code word is the Mrs. B Shop. You don't comment it on the Instagram instruction. You just send it on the message in our Instagram so that you can qualify for the raffle, okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and check out the Mrs. B shop. Bye!